Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about iOS 14.3 beta 2. I know this beta has been released a few days back and making the video very late. Sorry for that. There were some issues. But now, let's see what are the minor or major updates or features available in this beta 2 version. Before that, let's go to settings, general and about. Let me show you the beta version or the number, that is 18C5054C. It is the second beta update for the iOS 14.3. So guys, now directly jump into the features or update. Let me show you the size, that is around 300 MB for iOS 14.3 beta 2 on my iPhone SE, and it may vary according to devices or the earlier versions installed on your device. So some people know this, some don't know that iOS 14.3 beta 2 came very soon or very quickly just after release of iOS 14.3 beta 1. So there are no chance of explaining or making a video on beta 1. So now directly going to beta 2 features or update. Let me go through what were the features major update that came with iOS 14.3 beta 1. So now let me quickly explain you the iOS 14.3 beta 1 features. That is, the first one is, if you go to settings app, scroll down until you find camera, and here if you see something called as a mirror front photos. This feature is available only on iPhone XR and above devices, but now after beta 1 came out, it is made available on the older phones as well. So now with this you can take your mirror front photos or mirror selfies from your front camera on your devices. Talking about second feature, that is your default search engine. So now if you go to Safari browser and if you go to search engine, there is a new search engine added to your Safari browser. So now you can choose your new search engine for your default browsing in your device. And the third one is regarding your shortcut application. So now the feature is back of setting up wallpapers or changing wallpapers with your shortcut application. Earlier this was removed from your iOS devices, but now it is back where you can change your wallpapers with a shortcut application on your devices. I made a video on this where you can change your wallpapers on iPhone just by tapping the icon on your device. Please check the description for the video link. So guys, now we are done with your iOS 14.3 beta 1. So now let's talk about iOS 14.3 beta 2. Okay, the first feature is regarding your camera only. Okay, go to setting application, scroll down until you find camera. Okay, open the camera and here just go to the record video option. If you scroll up and go to record video, and something new is there, that is called your show PAL format. And now if you enable your show PAL format or PAL format, however you pronounce it, if you enable this, you get two new video formats in your device, that is your 1080p HD at 25 fps and 4K at 25 fps. So now what is PAL format? So as per my understanding, after reading on the internet or watching the video on internet, so the PAL format is regarding your light while shooting the videos on iPhone. Just to explain you this in simple words, if you are shooting or if you experienced while shooting the videos, high quality videos in a low light at a night time, the videos are flickering, right? Something flickering appears on the screen. That is because of your low light, which is not supporting your high quality video format. So flickering screen means that light which is available there is not supporting the video FPS that you are shooting. So here Apple has given an option by lowering the FPS with the same video quality, that is your 4K, but instead of 30 FPS it is available for 25 fps for the available light. So now you can shoot your videos without the flickering screen in a good quality. The next update is regarding your shortcut app, where you can open a customized app icons directly just like a primary application without a app redirect or a app transition, where earlier whenever we were using a customized app icon, first it used to open a shortcut application then the primary app, but now that is disabled and now you can use customized app icon just like your primary application on the home screen. Now the next feature or the next update is regarding your settings. For that, open setting application. It is small update. Okay, go to privacy and scroll down till the last and open analytics and the improvement, and here there is a new addition of a enhanced beta feedback. So now Apple will try to take a feedback on the beta as well. So this is not available on iOS 14.2 beta because I have installed my beta iOS 14.2 beta on my iPhone 7. So it is a new addition in this iOS 14.3 beta 1 or 2. So with this feature, Apple will try to gather information regarding some issues that are occurring on the devices which are running on beta software or which are installed beta on the devices. So guys, according to me, iOS 14.3 beta 2 is very small or minor update with a minor features, because beta 2 came out very quickly or too soon as soon as Apple released iOS 14.3 beta 1. So it hardly 1 day gap between iOS 14.3 beta 1 and beta 2. So there is not much thing to add in the beta 2 as well, right? So I'll make a follow-up video on this. I will let you know how my iPhone SE is doing on iOS 14.3 beta 2. And guys, don't miss the follow-up videos and all the videos regarding your iOS update, reviews, iOS solutions, apps and games and tweaks. For that, please subscribe. And lastly, if you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you very much.